guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time on my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today we are going to be talking about the Morphe and Coca Cola palette. This is their Thirst for Life Artistry palette. It has 18 beautiful shades. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and give you guys a close-up as well. So that's all 18 shades. On the back of the packaging it says, "Let those good vibes run wild, babe. From ice cold blues and iconic reds to energizing neutrals, this palette of powerful shades has a legendary life of its own." So yeah, these shades are really pretty. Today I used about 4 shades in this palette to create my eye look. Right now it looks really pink, and I've just realized that I think red just kind of warms and turns to pink on my skin tone. When I first started the look, it was like super red, it was like fiery red, and then like as I was like progressing and doing the rest of my makeup, it just kind of got pinker and pinker, but I did use the reds in this palette, guys. So I'm not sure if that's just like my skin tone and what my skin does to red or what the situation is, but there are people out there that have some really bomb pretty looks using these reds here that comes out really red. So you can follow along with the tutorial at like towards the middle of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you, but I'm also gonna show you like how I created this look, so if you want to recreate it, you can, but just know it is these red shades. It just comes out pink on me. It was red in the beginning, I promise you. When you watch the tutorial, you'll see like it'll be like red, like super red, and then it kind of transitions to a pink. But neither here nor there, I still love the way that this look came out. So let's go ahead and jump into the swatches. But before we jump into those swatches, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, so the first shades that we're going to be swatching are Fizz, Open Up, and Happiness. On top here we have Fizz, and then we have Open Up. Oh, sorry, that's Open Up, and then this one is Happiness. Alright guys, then the next shades we have are Bubble Up, Cool Story, and Can Do. Alright, so this is the next 3 shades. On top we have Bubble Up, and then this is Cool Story, and then the next one is Can Do. The next 3 shades are Recognize, Always Bright, which is that red. Guys, how red this actually swatches versus what's going on in my eye, just wait for it, and then the last one is Move It. My swatches are never even, guys, like the sizes of them, they're always like all over the place. Okay, so there is the next 3. So like I said, the top one is Recognize, and then this one's Always Bright, and then this last shade down here is Move It. The next 3 we have are The Real Thing. That's pretty. Get a nice like transition shade. Good in Red, and then All the Feels. Alright, so these are the next 3 shades. The first one up here is The Real Thing. It's blending into my skin tone, but that is a shade right there if you guys can see it. The next one is Good in Red, and then lastly down here we have All the Feels. Next we have Awaken, Pop Culture, and Energetic. Okay guys, so up top we have Awaken, Pop Culture is next, which is that sparkly red right there, and then last is that Energetic. So last row, first up we have Name Drop, which is another one of those blended into my skin tone shades, so let me just go ahead and layer that up. The next one is Add Life, and then last but not least we have Refreshing. Alright guys, so then last up we have Name Drop up there on the top. Next is Add Life, and then lastly we have Refreshing. Alright, so that is all 18 swatches in the Morphe and Coca Cola palette. I really like this palette. It retails for $22. It is currently sold out on the Morphe website, and I believe it's sold out on the Ulta website as well. However, check your local Ulta because that's where I got mine at. This was like the last one on the shelf. I definitely didn't think this palette was going to be so popular, but apparently it is because it's sold out everywhere. But yeah, check your local Ulta to see if you can get your hands on it. But yeah, I think it's a really pretty palette. I think it's a nice mix of, you know, some nice neutrals and some nice pops of color. So yeah, you can definitely create like several different looks with this palette, which is something that I look for in palettes. Like I don't want to just do one look with them. I want to be able to do like, you know, multiple things. And this is a palette that you can definitely do multiple things with. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's eye look. Like I said, I did use the reds in this palette. However, my skin chemistry just turns red pink. I don't know what it is, but yeah, we're just gonna deal with it. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just gonna pin my hair back with some bobby pins real quick, because what y'all don't see usually in my tutorials is me doing this a lot because I haven't like got my hair to my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and remedy that situation now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Just so our skin is ready for that foundation. Next, I'm going to prep those eyelids with my Morphe concealer. This is the shade C3.25. And then I'm just buffing that out using a Morphe M173. So I'm gonna take a Morphe M504 and go in with the shade right here. This is called All Bright. Oh, sorry, Always Bright. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm also gonna like extend that out just a little bit past my eyes. And don't worry, it's looking real crazy right now, but I'm going to fix it with concealer and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. Today I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Cinnamon, and I'm just going to use a Morphe M439 to apply that. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors concealer. This is the shade 22 Dark. And then I'm just going to blend that out using a beauty sponge. And then to set that under eye area, I'm using the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And then I'm going to set my face using the Dermablend powder in Warm Saffron. And I'm just taking a Morphe E41. I was like having a moment there. We're trying to say that. And just apply that all over the face. And now I'm going to bronze using my Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. I'm going to be using another Morphe brush for this. This is the Morphe M530. I'm just going to bronze really quickly, you know, just get it out of the way before we finish up those eyes. Okay, I pinned my hair back and it's still getting in the way, but here we are. Here we are. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna quickly do my brows, just combing those out, a little spoolie. And then I'm gonna fill them in using my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Using an angled liner brush for this. This is the Morphe M165. All my brushes are Morphe, so, you know, just so you know, they're all Morphe. And then I'm just going to set those brows using this Essence Brow Gel. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm going to take a little bullet brush and I'm going to go back in with that red shade. And and apply that to my under eye area. And I'm just gonna apply that like 2/3 of the way down my eye because I am going to use a different shade kind of like in my inner corner area. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a Morphe 213 into the shade which is called Open Up. And I'm just gonna apply that to my inner corner. Going in with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Happiness and just apply that right over our last shade. And then going back in with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this sparkly red and apply that to my under eye as well. I thought I wanted to keep it pretty matte on top and just like do like the silver kind of like in this inner corner, but actually I'm gonna take my finger and go into that and I'm just gonna tap it like right in this inner corner area. Like that. Okay, yeah. That's pretty. I like that. I like that a lot actually. Next, I'm going to line my eyes using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Next, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and just apply some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some blush. This is the Cover FX blush in Spiced Cinnamon. And I'm just gonna use a Morphe E4 to apply that. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna use my Glowing in Grease palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with the shade Milos, which is like this kind of like pinky highlight color. Just pop that. Maybe pop that. Not like pop them like I wanted to, but we're just gonna go with it, you know? We're just gonna go with it. And then I'm gonna go ahead, just add a little up there in the brow bone. I'm just gonna kind of do little Athens on top of that just to make it not so crazy. Whoa. Not really popping on my cheeks, but popping on my nose. Let's go ahead and look at them real crazy from what I can see. That looks like it looks better. We won't know. It looks better, but we won't know until I edit this. Y'all like, are she gonna finish these eyes yet? I'm gonna finish them. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna set my face. And I'm just gonna use my foundation brush and kind of like pat that in, you know? And today for lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lashes in Garters. This is from their like triple push-up collection. The Teddy lashes are also part of this collection. And then for lips, I'm going to keep it pretty neutral. I'm going to use the NYX Lip Pencil in Downtown Beauty with Dose of Colors Heartbreaker and then the Dose of Colors Over the Top Gloss. Go ahead and get these out, my hair. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to leave me a comment letting me know your thoughts on this palette and this look. And if you have a video suggestion for me, go ahead and leave that in the comment as well. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.